Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Klarna to a bank account. First, open Klarna app on your phone and log in using your registered email, phone number, or login method. Then, make sure your account is fully verified so withdrawals are available. Now, go to the balance or wallet section inside the app. This is where Klarna shows any available funds, refunds, or money that can be transferred out. Next, look for the option that says withdraw or transfer to bank and tap on it. If this option is not visible, it usually means there is no available balance to withdraw yet. After that, add your bank account if you haven't done it before. Enter your bank details carefully, such as your account number and bank name, or select a previously saved bank account from the list. Now enter the amount you want to transfer from Klarna to your bank. Double check the amount and bank details to avoid any issues. Finally, confirm the transfer. Klarna may ask you to verify the action using a code or app confirmation. Once confirmed, the transfer will be processed. The money usually arrives in your bank account within 1 to 3 business days, depending on your bank and country. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.